Can you see this one on the screen? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So let's start.
I feedback. I don't okay.
Can you see now?
Yeah.
Okay, let's start. So last time, what did we discuss last time?
Support.
We discussed about Jim.
No. Wait. Saya nih. I look. There are 5 subtopics to scientific method.
Scientific method. So in this one, we are still in lesson 1 about scientific process. And what we're going to discuss is about the scientific process skills. Okay, so let's start first with vocabularies. Number 1,
Look.
right?
So the book.
Write in your notebook, please.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait for me.
Number 2, we have skills.
Shall repeat again.
Next,
Yes.
we go to number 2. We have skills. If there's something wrong with the Thai translation, you can always tell me, okay? I get this one from Google Translate, so I think it's not accurate. It's not 100% accurate. Number 3, observing. Number 4, measuring. Number 5, we have predicting. Number 6, classifying. Number 7.
Wait, teacher.
What is number 5? Again, if. Hmm.
5 is predicting. Six, we have classifying, and number 7, we have inferring. Number 8, relationships. Number 9, organizing.
Teacher, please again number 8.
Number 8,
Number 8.
this one.
Okay, teacher.
Okay. Number 9, organizing. Number 10, modeling.
Teacher, number 7, please.
Later, we go back to number 7.
Okay.
Teacher, again, number 6, please.
Later, we go back to number 6. We finish all first.
Teacher, number 1,
Final.
please.
Oh. Number 11, experimenting. Eleven, number 12, interpreting. Number 13, Identifying. Finish writing?
Yes.
Oh, Gabi is not writing. (14). We have integrate. Integrate. Okay. Who's not yet finished with number 1? Hi, copy now. Jim,
Finish now.
who's not finished number 6?
Additional number 10.
Yeah, later we go to number 10.
Oh, okay.
What else? 7. What else? Number 8 finish. This is number 10.
I'm done finished.
What number?
14.
Yeah, later. Okay, number 10. We have 14. Okay. So let's read the vocabulary. Number 1. What is number 1?
Number 1 is for process.
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 A process.
Number 2.
Skills.
Skills.
Skills. 3.
Observe.
Observing.
Observing. 4.
Measuring.
Measuring.
Measuring. 5.
Predicting.
Predicting.
Predicting. Predicting kawalan.
การทำนาย
การทำนาย
Okay. Next.
การทำนาย
classifying.
Classifying. What number is classifying?
การจำ number 6
Number 7.
inferring.
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 Number 8.
Relationship.
Relationship. 9.
Organizing.
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 10.
Modeling.
Modeling. Modeling. 11.
Experimenting.
Experimenting. Go.
Interpreting.
13. Identifying. And lastly, number 14.
Integrate.
Integrate. Okay, so let's start. Now for this, the science process skills, we have the science process skills are important when we study science. These are the skills you needed when you want to study science. When we study things step by step, how many steps again in scientific process?
What? Five.
What is the first process?
Ask question.
Ask question. Second step,
Make a
make
hypothesis.
hypothesis. Third step,
Gather
Gather
information.
information.
step 4,
Study the
Study the information.
and last one,
Make
Make a
conclusion.
conclusion.
make a conclusion. Okay, so this one in the process skills, these are the skills you needed when you want to study science. Also, these skills show the steps in our thinking, which makes us understand science better and help us learn well. Now, for science process skills, how many groups? There are 14, but sorted into 2 groups. The first group is the 8 basic science process skills. 8 basic science process skills. And the next one is the 6 integrated science process skills. Okay? So how many process skills do we have? All in all, how many? 14. Okay, so let's start. First one, the 8 basic science process skills we have.
Right?
No need to write. Observing. Okay, what does it mean by observing?
การสังเกตการสังเกต
What is the next one?
measuring
Measuring. In measuring and studying science, we also measure the weight and the height and the mass.
Teacher, may I go to the toilet?
Go, please. What is the third one?
predicting it
The third one is using space and time relationships. Space and time relationships. Next, what is the fourth one? It is inferring. Inferring means to say these are the conclusions that you have and you have to study again to make a clear and precise statement. Next one. What is the fifth one? It is using numbers. This using numbers, this is in connection with measuring. Also, the next one is predicting. In predicting, you don't know yet the exact result. Same as doing the hypothesis. You are guessing. Okay? Hypothesis and predicting, they are somewhat related and they are the same. Next one. We have organizing data and communicating. In organizing data, this one, you sorting out the idea. For example, you organize the data in Potom 4 or Potom 5. In Potom 5, how many girls, how many boys? You sort which one? So all the girls go to the left and all the boys go to the right. Next, what is the last one? The last one is classifying. In classifying, you find the meaning. You classify what object is this. Okay? So what is the first one?
okay observing
Observing. Second one.
Measuring.
Measuring.
The third one.
Using space
Use space time
time
relationship.
relationship.
For
Inferring.
Inferring.
fifth one.
Using number.
Using numbers. Sixth one.
Predicting.
Predicting. Seven.
Organizing data
and
And
communicating.
And the last one.
Classifying.
Okay,
Classifying.
classifying. I have three examples here. You tell me what kind of basic science process skills, okay? The first example we have this one. None uses a magnifying glass to study the petals of a rose. So none is what? What is not doing?
Observing.
Huh? None is observing the rose. Okay. Next one. Kang uses a ruler to find the length of an eggplant in his backyard. Kang is what?
Use number.
Huh? Kang is measuring the eggplant. Okay. Last one. The sky turned dark, so Kaosai thought it could rain.
Hypothesis.
Kaosai was predicting. Very good. Predicting that it could rain. So you understand now? Let's proceed to the sixth integrated science process skills. This is the integrated, and the first one is the basic. So this integrated science process skills is somewhat difficult to understand, but we will try to discuss it one by one so everyone can understand. The first one, we have identifying and controlling variables. In identifying, and when you have a data, you identify which one. For example, we have bottom 5. You identify how many boys and how many girls. Also, in the boys, which one is the tallest student and which one is the shortest? You identify and control the variables in bottom 5 only. Next one. Experimenting. What's that? In experimenting, we usually do this in laboratory. We combine solutions and we find the results. I hope in the new book that we have some kind of experimenting that we're going to do in laboratory. But we will try at least. The next one. The third one is formulating hypothesis. What is hypothesis again?
Teacher.
Yes,
Teacher. May I go to toilet, please?
go. If you want to go to toilet, you don't have to tell me, okay? Because everyone can hear, I want to go to toilet, I want to poop, okay? So in formulating hypothesis, what is hypothesis again? From the first discussion that we had, what is hypothesis? Hypothesis is the one that we're going to guess, but the answer is not yet 100%. You are merely guessing the answer from the questions that you have. So you formulate a guess answer, formulating hypothesis. Next one, number 4, modeling. In modeling, this is not the same as you have a beautiful dress, beautiful clothes, and then you walk. That's not modeling in science process skills. In modeling, mean to say you're going to make up an example, okay? Make up an physical example for the topic. You create a model using materials. Number 5, defining operationally, meant to say what is the meaning of this idea? For example, define science, define math. What is math? What is science? You find the meaning. Last one, interpreting data and making conclusions. This one is the same as make a conclusions in 5 steps. This one is the final and the concluded data wherein you studied all the informations that you have. Okay? Do you understand or no? If not, we will go back and I will ask questions again one by one. Do you have questions? Jim? Okay, now let's continue. In science process skills, we discuss 2 examples only. The first one is organizing data and communicating. The second one is different types of modeling. In number 1, organizing data and communicating, for example, Mike organized his data for easy understanding. This is also in your worksheets, okay? I'm discussing you the worksheets now. In this one, Mike organized the different types of animals. There are 3 types of consumers in food chain. What is the first one? We have herbivore. These are the animals that eat only plants. Okay, they only eat plants. The next one is carnivores, animals that eat meat. And the last one is the omnivores. Animals eat both plants and meat. So Mike organized his data with this through. This is same as, oh. Can you still hear me? Are you still there? Okay. So Mike organized this idea into 3 categories. So the first one is the animals that eat plants. We have the elephants, cows, and horses. The next one is the carnivores, animals like lions, tigers, and falcons. But there are still a lot of animals eating only meat. Same with omnivores, like dogs, cats, and chickens. Next, different types of modeling. A model of an aquatic ecosystem. This is part of like an aquarium. This is how you make a model. The next one, a model of volcanic eruption. This one they use, I think this is clay. They use a combination of clay and then they put baking soda inside of this volcano. And then they pour out, for example, red soda. So the combination of the two, there's a chemical reaction. And when you combine these two, it is like a volcanic eruption. There's like a bubbles coming out when you combine this formula. Next one, a model of the traveling of sound through a medium. This one, this is a model like distance sound. You talk to the other end of this can, and then somewhat you will feel the vibration and then it becomes a sound. And the next one is a model of frog's skeleton. Usually you do this with plasticine like clay, but this one is a real one. Next, a model of a butterfly's life cycle. This is the life cycle of a butterfly from eggs, the pupa to chrysalis, and so on. and then that butterfly producing again egg, and then it goes on and forth. So the cycle. Also, a model of plants growth from vegetable eggplant, getting all the seeds, and you plant it in the soil, loam soil, and then there's a sprout coming out from the seed, and then it grows bigger, and then it produces again the same kind of fruit or vegetable. Did you understand the lesson or no? And we will go back. What is the first basic science process skills? Number 1.
Observe.
Again,
Observing.
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 Okay. This is the time now that you will copy only the 8 basic process skills. You copy this 8. Number 1, we have observing. You copy this one in your notebook.
Okay.
You write this in the notebook.
Yes, yes.
Mila to copy. Elite.
Number 2,
Measuring.
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 Number 3,
Relationship.
using space, time, relationships.
Relationship. Read for me. Measuring.
Number 4,
Inferring.
inferring. Number 5,
Number.
using numbers.
Number. You.
Next,
Predicting.
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 I think someone already copied this one. Next one. We have organizing data and communicating.
Oh.
And last one,
Uh,
what is the last one?
Classifying.
Good. Classifying.
Defying.
All done?
Parang. Finish.
Okay.
Teacher, I not finish.
What number?
Number 5 and 6.
Using number and predict.
Okay.
My new is locked now.
Next. Anna, finish?
Yes.
Finally.
Now, get your worksheets, please.
Okay. What page is it?
The worksheets, the second page, number 4, June 4. Get your worksheets. Okay.
This page.
What
This page.
Yeah, that one.
What
Page 11. Page 11.
Yes, yes.
Elephant.
The elephants in this one. Use the next page. This is the example. Use the next page. Okay.
So cool.
Okay. So in the worksheets, you also have to organize the data wherein same as Mike to understand about 3 types of consumers and food chain. So you have the first page wherein you do the same, but in this one you make it like a mind map.
Teacher T.Erol, this page.
The next page in the worksheets. You have this one in your worksheet. So I want you to change the animals. They should not be the same. Okay. So what are the
Okay.
examples of herbivore animals? Example of herbivore animals that eat only plants. You think of 3 animals, write the name and draw. Also, animals that eat meat. Okay.
T.Erol. Use pencil or pen.
Use pencil to draw, use pen to write the names of the animal. Please don't copy the same animals with this one because you have this example only. You change the animals, please. Change the animals.
Sure, don't write this, but don't copy the animal.
Yes, don't copy the animals.
Teacher T.Erol, I can write, but I cannot draw.
That's impossible. I know you know how to draw.
No.
Are you sure? Okay. So let's have an example. What are the animals that eat plants? Do it like a mind map.
ป้ามี20,000ไหมเอาวันนี้แหละเดี๋ยวตอนเย็นใส่
How about animals that eat meat? And both animals that eat plants and meat, they are omnivores. So you know how to do with the worksheets now? Any questions in doing the worksheets? Now is the time to question, please. Make it at least 3 animals. 3 animals, okay? If you're finished, can you take a photo of this one and then send in group line? I want to check your work.
Teacher,
Yes.
do like this or like this?
Where? I cannot see.
In my screen. Do like
Okay.
this or like this?
Your screen is not clear.
Oh, wait. Okay. Like this or this.
It's up to you how to do it. It's either nail on or nail down. Up to you.
Oh,
Sleep or standing. Up to you.
yeah.
Also, this is the points in PE class. Nah? Those who made the video.
Teacher,
Yes.
teacher, it gives me right and right reward on your work can you work to
Yes.
Right.
Yes. You have to write that so
in my
that
mapping.
yeah. You write that so that I know and you will know what kind of animal did you write and did you draw. Okay. Also, this is the physical education points. Nah? Those who perform the exercise. We have MIC 20 points, gym and camping. They got 20 points in PE. If you did not do it yet, you can send the video clip in the line group, and then I will check it and put some additional points in PE. Anna, are you finished?
Teacher T.Erol like this.
See, so you know how to draw? Bye. You
Teacher,
said
you draw like this.
yes.
Hmm.
3 animals only, okay?
Okay. สัตว์กินพืช
Do you have any more questions? No more? Don't forget to take photo of your work and send it in group line.
Teacher, don't draw animal, but write name or animal. Can write name or animal.
Yes, yes. You draw a simple one and then write the name of the animals. Only 3.
Teacher, me write only.
Write and draw. Okay.
Okay.
You have 4 minutes to do that. Don't forget to take a photo of it, okay? And send in group line, please. Send. I want to see and I will check also. Oh, Calypso Malaw. Okay, I will end now the